So let's see today's lovely whole wheat pizza wrap. Now here I've taken a chapati, puri or roti and I've just cut it with a pizza cutter. You can also use a knife just in one half like this or one quarter. Now we're going to divide this into 4 parts. So we've only give it one small cut and I'm going to put cheese. I've got shredded cheese at home, so I'm using shredded cheese, but you can also go with a cheese slice. So put that on 1/4 of it. Now I'm going to put some pizza pasta sauce, just 1 teaspoon, and just nicely apply it on this side. Now I've just cut up some onions, capsicum and tomatoes. So just add that on this side. Now you can even add carrots, you can add different color bell peppers, yellow, red bell peppers, corn. The choice is yours. And on the 4th part, we're going to add some cooked up chicken. Now you can add paneer, you can add tofu. Now if you want to see the way I've prepared the chicken for this particular wrap, I'll leave it, you've watched the video till the end, as well as how to prepare the chapati, roti or puri. We call it puri at our place. It's some people call it chapati, some people say roti. So I'll show you that also, especially for beginners who want to know how to make these rotis. So now that we've filled up the 4 parts, now you're going to lift the first part, that is the one with the cheese, onto the 4th part, that is the filling. Then you're going to put the 2 of them onto the veggies, and then you're going to close it up by putting it onto the pizza sauce. So now one wrap is ready. So just keep it aside. I'll show you 2 wraps. So you can put the filling, whatever veggies you've prepared, or, generally what you put on pizzas, you can add that. So this is a little faster version. So first goes the cheese, then goes the pizza pasta sauce, then the veggies, and then whatever filling you have prepared or whatever you have handy at home, be it paneer tandoor, be it some barbecue chicken, be it some shredded chicken, and then just fold it up in this manner and set it aside. So pick up the cheese part, put it onto the filling, lift up both of them, put it onto the veggies, and then put all of them together onto the pizza pasta sauce. So this is a great snack item, whenever hunger strikes, and especially for kids. It looks nice and it tastes delicious. And this way you can get them to eat, their whole wheat rotis also rather than bread. So now I've just heated up a pan. Now I have this sandwich grill pan. You can use a regular pan also. Just added some butter. You can add ghee. You can add olive oil. And now all we have to do is just toast it or grill it on both sides. So isn't this a real quick and delicious, snack item, or you can use it as a breakfast or even as a light lunch or dinner. So this is amazing and it's really, really tasty. And like I said, you can put whatever filling, whatever veggies you want to, and it's really, really nice. And the cheese really melts well. You can use cheese slices or you can use shredded cheese also. Now, so for those of you who want to see how I prepared the filling, you can stick around for the rest of the video. So here I've just taken 150 grams of boneless chicken breast, cut it up into cubes, and then I've just sauteed it on with 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Now in the same pan, I've just taken the chicken out and I've added about 4 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and I've added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. In fact, I use the same chicken recipe for my Subway sandwich. I'll leave a link below. You can check it out. Even that's really delicious. So you can add the red chili sauce as per your taste. Now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, whatever you have at hand, some salt to taste. Mix all of this really, really well together. Let this cook for a minute or so. Let all the ingredients really come together. And now I'm just going to add the cooked chicken and mix everything really, really well. Now I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of white vinegar and mix everything well. And now we're going to try and get this a little bit on the drier side. So we're going to just cook it for about a minute or two till all of the liquid evaporates. We want more of a drier kind of a filling. Go and check out my Subway sandwich also. It's really amazing. And now for how I prepare my chapatis or puris or rotis. So I took 1 teaspoon of oil. To that I added 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and I added a little water at a time and just kneaded it to a real nice firm dough. So I used approximately about 1/4 cup of water for 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and just mix everything really nicely together and knead it well. I like to use this big broad thali because it makes work easier. And then I'm just adding half a teaspoon of oil again and kneading it really, really well. Now you know when your dough is ready because then it doesn't stick to your hands, fingers, or the plate. It all comes together. Now I've put a pan for heating, and I'm going to just dust my rolling board with some whole wheat flour. Take a lime-sized ball of the dough and then just roll it out very gently and roll towards the sides and not the center. That way you'll get a very even puri or roti. And now my pan is nice and hot on a low to medium flame. So I'm just going to place this onto the pan. And you'll see that it just starts to puff up. Now, one tip I'd like to give you here, always the first roti or the first chapati doesn't tend to puff up, so don't get disappointed. After the first puri or the roti, then all of them just start becoming really, really beautiful. So it starts to puff up like this. The minute it starts to puff up, just turn it onto the other side. Do it once or twice and then just press it down with your spatula or ulatna and let it nicely puff up. Don't overcook the puri, and then just put a little bit of clarified butter or ghee on the top, and you're all set, and it's really, really delicious. You can just have this all by itself also. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.